In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Monopoly Go link. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to Monopoly Go on your device. Now, once you're on Monopoly Go, go ahead and click on the Friends button, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, go ahead and hit on the Invite button. And here, go ahead and hit on the Invite. Click on the normal invite button, which is the first invite button. And here, go ahead and select the social media application that you want to use to send your invite to. So I want to use WhatsApp. So I'll just go ahead and click on WhatsApp in this selection. Now in here, go ahead and select the recipient of your invite link. After that, click on next. Now in here on your text, you will be able to find your invite link. And that's how you can simply find your Monopoly Go link. You cannot copy the link itself once you hit on the invite button on Monopoly Go, but you can find it once you try to send it to someone on a social media platform. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.